Hi guys, this is lesson number 14 in the Course in Miracles, and it is God did not create a meaningless world is the lesson. And it says this idea for today is of course the reason why a meaningless world is impossible. What God did not create does not exist. And everything that does not exist exists as He created it. The world you see has nothing to do with reality. It is of your own making, and it does not exist. The exercises for today are to be practiced with your eyes closed. The mind searching period should be short, a minute at most, and do not have more than 3 practice periods with today's ideas unless you find them to be comfortable. If you do, it will be because you really understand what they are there for. The idea for today is another step in learning to let go of the thoughts that you have written on the world and see the word of God in their place. The early steps in this exchange, which can truly be called salvation, can quite difficult and even quite painful. Some of them will lead you directly into fear. You will not be left there. You will go far beyond it. Our direction is toward a perfect in safety and perfect in peace. So with your eyes closed, think of all the horrors in the world that cross your mind. Name each one as it occurs to you and then deny its reality. God did not create it, and so it is not real. For example, God did not create that war, so it is not real. God did not create that airplane crash, so it is not real. God did not create the disaster and then specify exactly what the disaster is, so it is not real. And you're going to go ahead and in recognition of this fact, you're going to conclude the practice period by repeating today's idea. God did not create a meaningless world. The idea for today can, of course, be applied to anything that disturbs you during the day aside from the practice periods. Be very specific and apply it and say, God did not create a meaningless world. He did not create, and then specify the situation which is disturbing you, and so it is not real. And again, the lesson for today is God did not create a meaningless world. Love you guys. Namaste.